Alright, y'all. Alright, we're back at the Crystal Clean Wash in Mesquite, so we're gonna film their mini tunnel. Last I heard, they sold the Maxx Kleen machine, so don't think there's an in-bay anymore. But once I get a better look. Sheesh. Almost just witnessed an accident. Good thing it wasn't me. Oh! Even better! Oh! They replaced the Maxx Kleen with a new AUTEC machine. Another thing I need to film. Or at least film more of. I'm tempted to do both. Maybe I'll come back and do the other one later. I don't know though. Wait, he just backed out of the in-bay. There's a guy in line for the in-bay and he just backed out of it. I'm confused what he wants to do. That doesn't make any sense. That red Explorer, he was in the line for this wash. Unless it's out of service. I highly doubt that though. This thing looks brand new. I'm like, sure, let's do an AUTEC. Hi.
You need help? It's the first time?
Yes, it is. So yeah, what are your wash
It's the first time?
options? Yes, it is my first time.
It's the first time?
Yes.
You don't want to be the membership one?
No, just
Okay,
a
single wash.
Yeah, single wash.
Okay, how much? For $10?
Okay, there we go.
For 10?
Please enter payment now.
What are the other options? Okay,
This one.
10, 15, 20. Okay, let's do this one.
Yeah, the premium.
Please enter payment now.
Okay, let's go. Okay, he will guide you, but after it wash, you will see the time on your right, counting from 60.
Thank you for your
69,
purchase.
counting
Please
down.
enter the wash
Then you
when
move
it is
slowly
available.
dry, right?
Yeah.
Alright, it's easy. Good. You can go now.
Okay. I haven't seen a guy man an in-bay automatic before. Wait, it's an EV-1 turbo. It's got the turbo nozzles on the side. What a nice surprise. One of my favorite modern automatics. They still have their tunnel, so I'll come back and do that. Interesting how AUTEC didn't have that instantaneous startup like they usually do. I think now is what I'm talking about. Did a pre-soak pass before the everything. Although, there's also a touch-free option with this wash too. But I just got the normal top wash. I won't be surprised if this thing blows up in views, as with every other AUTEC video I've done. Well, definitely a very thorough wash, that's for sure. Well, good choice on a new machine. Yeah, very nice. It's a nice startup sound for Premier drivers. These treadles still make it annoying. AUTEC still use 4 treadles, although they're not that bad. Reminding me of car share. Pretty good for Premier drivers. AUTEC must use like a higher end Premier model or something, and they always work better. Oh, yeah, really solid new wash. So, I'll have to check out the tunnel next time. But yeah, it's kind of neat, still a neat combo with. Oh wait, I can't go out that way. Or that way? Oh, I took it. Whatever. There's nobody coming, so I'm supposed to think of. I don't know. It's a little confusing to get out of here. Anyway, there's a sign for another car wash over there. I'll save that one for later as well. Superstar car wash. Oh, anyway. Well, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. That'll be it.